First, we are going to do the horizontal asymptote because we don't have a vertical asymptote. We cannot get the denominator to become 0. So we are going to do horizontal asymptote only. And for horizontal asymptote, we have x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2, because you look at the coefficient of the term with the highest exponent. On the top, you look at 2x to the power 2. At the bottom, x to the power 2. When you divide 2x to the power 2 by x to the power 2, you get 2. So that's our horizontal asymptote. 0. Draw asymptote. Close that. Then you have to plot at least 4 points. For vertical asymptote, make sure there are at least 2 points on each side, but we don't have vertical asymptote. So we are going to pick 4 points. -4, maybe -2, 0, and 2. So let's plug them in. If I plug in -4 for x, -4 squared is 16. 16 plus 1 gives me 17 denominator. If I pick -4 on the top, I get 16 times 2 is 32. And -4 times -5 is 20. 32 plus 20 is 52. 52 minus 3 is 49. So I get 49 over 17. I just want to make sure my calculation is correct. So that's -4 squared is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. -4 times -2, -5 is 20. 20 and 32 is going to be 52. Then we subtract 3, so we're going to have 51. 50, 49. Then we are going to pick -2. -2 squared is 4. 4 and 1 is 5. If I pick -2 at the top, -2 squared is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. -2 times -5 is 10. So I have a 10 here, and I have an 8 here. That's 18. 18 take away 3 is 50. 15 divided by 5 gives me 3. Next, I'm going to pick 0. If I pick 0, this term will be 0. -5x will be 0. X squared will become 0. All I get is -3 over 1, which is -3. Then I pick +2. +2 squared is 4. 4 and 1 is 5, so the denominator will be 5. And now let's put it on the top. 2 squared is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. -5 times 2 is -10. -10 plus 8 is -2. -2 and -3 is -5. -5 divided by 5 is -1. And then I have 4 points, and then we click on the graph, and that's how the graph looks like. So the point is, the first thing you should do is your horizontal asymptote. And for horizontal asymptote, x is always 0. And then you get a y. Maybe y is 0, maybe some other number. In this case, y was 2. After that, you neatly pick your points from left to right. Since we didn't have a vertical asymptote, I started with -4, -2, 0, and 2. So you have to go in the order from left to right and pick your points. Whether you're graphing something with vertical asymptote or without, the order you input your points matters. So that order, you have to be organized and start with the smallest x, then the next small, then the next one, then the next one, then the next one.